morning. I just made my coffee. Today is the last full day we're in Utah. Jordan's in class right now. He's got another hour or so. I just converted the bed. I forgot to show you guys again before I started breaking everything down. But at least I'll have tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow morning I'll do it. But for the most part, it's super comfy in this thing. This thing's awesome. We will be heading up to Park City. So yesterday we went to Silver Lake. This time we're gonna go to Park City, which is past Silver Lake. Hopefully there's some cool stuff up there too. Yeah, I honestly have no idea what to expect. So we should go check it out. Alright guys, so we are heading out. Jordan finished up school. We're heading back up to the mountains. We're gonna go see Park City and the Olympic Village. But just even the drive up is so nice. Alright, we'll see you guys up there. Alright guys, we are in Park City now. We're cruising around and walking, just pretty much window shopping and looking for a place to eat. Thank you. Let's go. Alright, so we just made it to, this is the Olympic training grounds for the Olympics. Yeah, this is sweet. Look at this, take a look. You can see like the little practice things, and then that's for like the luge, the bobsled thing. It looks like everything's closed obviously because it's summertime, but we're gonna go take a look real quick and see what they got here.
I didn't know they practice in a pool.
Look at that, that's so cool. They're practicing right now. Let's see. Alright, so we stopped by Park City Coffee Roasters. Let's see how this coffee is. I got an Americano. That's not bad. Oh my, look at this kid. Look at this kid. Oh my gosh, it's like he was starving. All right, we're gonna hit the road in a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner. We'll figure it out. And this time I have to film a little bit of the mukbang behind the scenes. All right, we stopped by. We're gonna try this mukbang place. Oh, I don't have my hat. It's called Moo Cheese. All right, let's give it a try. Eat. Budo. Alright guys, so we just finished up our mukbang. Pretty good. Crunch Mom thought that their fry sauce was better than at Crown Burger, which I couldn't really tell the difference, but she says it was less sweeter, so I mean they're both good to me. We're gonna head over to Culver's to go get some frozen custard. What did you say? They're known for frozen custards?
Huh?
You said they're known for frozen custards?
Utah?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I heard that's what I read, is that custard is popular here in Utah.
So she heard that custard is popular here in Utah, so we are going to find some custard. We found a couple of spots like Shake Shack, but we have that back in California. Freddy's, we have that in California. So we wanted to choose a place that we don't have in Culver's. We don't have a Culver's in California. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna check out what their frozen custard is like. And honestly, we had to even look it up. I had no idea what the difference between ice cream and custard is. But I guess ice cream has at least X amount of milk fat, and custard has to have more than that amount. It's confusing. It's confusing. All I know is we're gonna head over there right now. We're gonna go get some custard and we'll give it a taste and see what it's actually like. What's up, everyone?
Yeah.
It's our first live on Instagram.
Yeah.
Whoa, thanks for joining us. Woo, 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 woo. Someone said aloha. Alrighty guys, so we just finished a live on Instagram. Hopefully some of you guys got to see that. But we just finished up here at Culver's. But we're gonna go back, park it, shower the kids, get them to sleep, and then tomorrow's a new day. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, before I forget, let me actually show you. You guys can see this is where the kids' chairs were. So this is the back seat, and it actually folds out. It folds out to become like a full-size bed. I believe they say it's a queen-size bed, but we feel it's a little bit bigger than a queen-size bed. Let me show you guys how it converts. There's these switches right up on top. It says Ottoman, Lounge, Ottoman. The Ottomans have cushions that you gotta take out. Like this, and then this, and then you push these buttons here, boom. So that creates a space right there to walk, and then the lounge, hit the out button, and it converts back into the chair. So then you can just sit back here and relax. But yeah, super cool. That's the bed. So to convert it back down, you take these buttons, push them down, they open automatically, and the seat cushions actually fall into place, which is kind of cool. Then for the lounge, you hit the down button, and it goes down. All right, back to the video. Okay, good morning everyone. Today is our departure day from Utah. We are going back home. Well, technically we're gonna go stop by Mesquite and stay there one more night because it's like the halfway point from home and here. But we are headed back now. Jordan just cried his eyes out. Jordan cried because he's gonna miss Baba. And he's leaving Baba and he doesn't want to leave her. But it's okay, because we'll see her next time. She's going to come out to California maybe in December. So we'll probably see her then. So for now, we're going to head over to a breakfast place. We're going to grab some breakfast. And then we're going to get onto the road. We're going to stop by at a creamery on the way. But yeah, we're heading back home now. It's been how many days? Thursday, we left on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today's the 6th day, so yeah, we're gonna head back to Mesquite, stay at our friend's place, and then we're gonna head over to home tomorrow morning. All right, guys, we are headed to Waffle Love. We're gonna go pick up some waffles here for breakfast, and then we're gonna hit the road. Jordan's doing his last bit of his class, and then we'll be back on the road. Okay, look at all the birds. Whoa. All right, so we just got our food. Let me show you guys in a second. Check it out. Look at that's the banana cream pie. It's got a chocolate waffle, or a waffle with chocolate in it with bananas and their whipped cream. That's the works. It has strawberry Biscoff waffle with whipped cream. Itadakimasu. Mmm.
This is good.
Surprisingly, it's not overly sweet. One of the main reasons why we chose this place was it was recommended, and they were actually on the Food Truck Wars. Crunch said never watched it, but Crunch mom watched it, and she's like, "Oh, I tried that place."
No, I said
I watched them.
it.
She's like, "Oh, I watched them. Let's go try it." I'm like, "All right, whatever."
That's not what
I wasn't
like.
I wasn't expecting much, but they're actually really good.
Yeah.
Like, I'm really not a waffle person. I'd rather have pancakes than waffles, but these waffles are good. All right, check it out. We're heading into the creamery. This is our first stop. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get some roll. Look at that honey. There's pomegranate honey. There's raspberry honey, pure honey, sweet heat flavored pomegranate, raspberry, orange, pure. Whoa, pickled eggs. Should we try them? Let's go check it out. Whoa, there's a big cow. There's Crunch, baby. Hello, cow. Oh, that's his nose. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Whoa, look at mixed cheese, Jordan's favorite. Look at how big that mixed cheese is. Oh my gosh.
Let's share a little bit of everything.
Okay.
You can try my salad. There's cheese curds on there and chicken.
Yeah, okay. We just got back from the creamery. We picked up some lunch, but we also found some gifts. We spent like 90 bucks on cheese and honey, which is kind of crazy, but they're gifts and they look pretty good. But we did get lunch. Let's take a look. So Crunch Mom got the bacon Cobb salad. Jordan got the classic mac and cheese. This is the short rib nachos. And for the kids, they get creamery milk, and this is from their actual farm. All right, we're gonna dig in before we hit the road. All right, guys, so that was our trip. We are in Mesquite, and tomorrow we're at Nome, and it's pretty much just driving, so we don't know how much we're gonna actually vlog, but we made it to Mesquite. We had fun in Utah. We got to see who we wanted to see. We accomplished all our goals. I mean, we didn't really see Zion, but Zion's kind of far and out of the way, and we wanted to spend more time in Utah. But we did see Park City, which is super cool, guys. Make sure you guys go check out the first video and the second video.
All of them.
Make sure you guys go check out all the videos and all the mukbangs that we did. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. CrunchTube. All right, so this is the end to the vlog, guys. Check out the rocks.